All right, man. Thanks for tuning in to another one of my videos. It's been a while. Got the Ezgo 36 volt PDS here. I was just gonna walk you through a couple steps on what voltage should be what. If you got one that don't run, always check your toe switch to begin with. Black lead on the main negative, and just check all 4 leads here. Battery voltage there. Battery voltage there. You ought to have battery voltage in all 4 of them when you have it run. I just put it in tow. So you'll see the red's got constant voltage. And the orange. I'll flip the switch. And you can see voltage go up, meaning the toe switch is good. Alright, the white wire here goes to the key switch. Alright, then the white and yellow wire here is a return from the key switch. I'm gonna turn the key off. That lets you know that you're getting voltage from the key switch back. Then the yellow wire here is a direct wire straight to the small post on the solenoid. Alright, that's straight out the controller to the solenoid. And you got your gray wire on the bottom right post of the controller, the bottom pin, the gray wire. That's your hot out to your forward and reverse switch. That feeds to the middle post on the forward and reverse switch. And then when you go backwards and forward with the switch, or up or down, voltage carries over. You got the orange wire here. Orange is your reverse. I'm gonna pop it up here, put it in reverse. Alright. That lets you know you get reverse. And then your light green wire here, it's gonna be your forward. Anytime I go to forward and back, voltage leaves. Alright, and these 2 here are your output from the controller. Now what you could do, I tell a lot of people to do, if you got one that don't run, always run your wire from your small post and your solenoid to the main positive. Just make you a jumper wire from here Sorry about the video, man, by myself trying to hold it. You run your jumper wire from there to the yellow wire small post. If the car runs, you got a key switch, a wire from here to the key switch bed, 1 or 2. Or you could have something wrong with the controller. That's why you want to check it, make sure you get output to the key switch, input from the key switch. Another good problem for these carts. Got another plug on here. It's got a green, red, black, and white. All right, now red is going to be your output to the micro switch and the floorboard here. All right, the green is going to be your return from the pedal. So when you hit the gas, your battery voltage. Now that's you know your mic switch doing this job. All right, also you got your black and whites. Your black and white wire, which is to your its. Your black ought to read when you hit the gas. All right. White should be constant at 14 volts. Your black should be at full pedal, 2.9 volts. Now, I'm not gonna floor it because I don't have it jacked up on jack stands. And another common problem is the wire right here in the harness. This is from the back of your charger plug. We have ours out. But our wire normally goes bad. When the reed switch goes bad. Normally a red and white wire. We just take it and run it to the main positive. I know the battery wire is loose. We're just making this video to help y'all out. All right, man, if you got any questions, let me know.